Welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm actually going to talk about a dead key. I don't know about you, but if this dies, there's no way to get in. Okay, I'm joking. I'm going to actually show you guys how to get in the car, open the door, turn on the engine, and also replace the battery once you're done. You don't have to get stuck, you don't have to pay the extra money for it, but let's get going. Okay guys, step number one of your process. Get your car key, your Mercedes key. Look at the back of it. There's going to be a little button here that you have to slide to the left, and then the metal key will come out. We're going to need this for two things. One of getting to the handle, and then two, opening the door. Under the driver's door, you're going to see a little hole that allows you to insert the key in there. We're going to be able to remove this plastic part so we can get to the actual key fob. Check the door, it's actually closed. Get the metal part. You have to put it in here. It's a bit snug and tight, so you're going to have to play around with it. But at some point, you're going to feel like the key is all in. I feel like the key, open up the handle a bit, and it'll simply come out. And now we have exposed the key fob, or the keyhole. Insert your key in there to the left, and the door is now open. And we're good to go to the next part. Okay, so we have successfully made it in the car. I have the key in my hand. I'm going to try the push button start, and nothing is going to happen. So what we need to do is pull back the push button start, and it will expose the placement for your key. Get your key. This is the top end of it. Insert it into the key fob or keyhole. And as you can see, the car just turned on, and we're good to go. But what we need to talk about is how do you actually replace the battery in your key fob? Release your metal replacement key, insert it right above the release button, and push down. By doing so, it will open up the back plate. Within the back plate, it will expose your battery. This is a 2025 Duracell V3. This is the one that I'm using, but if you have something else, go ahead. Just make sure it's a 2025. Pop out the battery, grab your new battery, and just insert in place. Close your key. Now let's test it. Perfect. Everything working as expected.